In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable retainer invoices in Zoho Books. Before we begin, make sure you're already logged into your Zoho Books account and that you have the necessary permissions to access the settings. Retainer invoices are useful when you want to collect an advance payment or deposit from your customers, and then apply that amount to future invoices. So enabling this feature is an important step if your business works with upfront payments. Let's get started from the Zoho Books dashboard. On your main screen, look toward the top right corner where you'll see a small gear icon. This is the shortcut to your organization's settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. If you ever forget where to find it, just remember that most configuration options in Zoho Books live under this gear symbol. Once you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to the main settings page. Here, Zoho Books groups different options like organization profile, users, templates, and so on. What we want to focus on is the area that controls overall behavior and preferences for your account. In this list of options, look for one labeled General. When you see it, click on General to open the broader set of configuration options. Inside the General section, you'll see a navigation menu or list that includes various preference categories. This is where you fine-tune how different modules behave, such as invoices, estimates, and credit notes. Among these options, look for Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, you'll find different features you can turn on or customize. In this list, locate the option for Retainer Invoices. Click on Retainer Invoices to open its dedicated settings page. Here is where you can enable retainer invoices for your organization. Depending on your version of Zoho Books, you may see a toggle or checkbox that lets you activate this module. Turn it on and review any additional fields or options that appear, such as naming conventions, numbering formats, or default terms for retainers. After adjusting everything to match your business needs, make sure